Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. This is Whyte Ridge, a residential neighborhood in southwest Winnipeg, Manitoba. It sits between McGillivray Boulevard to the north, Kenaston Boulevard to the east, Brady Road to the west, and just north of Bishop Grandin Boulevard to the south. Located about 13 kilometers from downtown, it blends suburban streets with green spaces and water features. Before development, this land was farmland near the historic settlement of Fort Whyte. The name Whyte Ridge comes from William Whyte, a railway superintendent whose involvement in a major railway dispute in the late 1880s left a lasting mark on the area. Planning for the neighborhood began in the late 1970s, but homes were first built in 1986. Over the next 2 decades, most of the roughly 1,500 homes were completed. 2 large man-made lakes, East Lake and West Lake, were created as central features, with parks and walking paths surrounding them. Whyte Ridge was designed for families, with looping streets, playgrounds, schools, and a community center. Local shopping and services developed nearby along Kenaston Boulevard, giving residents convenience while maintaining the neighborhood's quiet feel. Today, Whyte Ridge is known for its green spaces, scenic lakes, and calm streets. From above, you can see how farmland transformed into a thoughtfully planned community that balances residential living with nature. Thanks for watching!